Hi, I'm Louisa Sijabat, a liquidator and bankruptcy trustee. So today's question is, I'm about to receive a compensation payment. It relates to an injury that happened to me, partly for the injury and partly for the income that I lost as a result of sustaining the injury. How is this compensation payment treated in bankruptcy? So, the nature of compensation payments is very important because different types of compensation payments are treated differently in a bankruptcy. Compensation payments that are for personal injury or wrong done to the bankrupt are exempt from being contributed to the bankrupt estate. So they're considered protected payments. The bankrupt gets to retain that payment in full. If the compensation payment is relating to something else, such as income replacement or even illness, those sorts of payments are lost to the bankrupt estate. They do have to go into the bankrupt estate. So for a payment that's got a few different natures to it, like in the example, the part that relates to personal injury or wrong will be able to be retained by the person in bankruptcy. The part relating to income replacement will not be able to be retained and it will have to be paid to the bankrupt estate.